Hello. So this application called Analytic Account Branch will help you to add different branches of your company in your analytic accounts. So be it analytic accounts, plans, or analytic distribution models, or journal entries, or invoices, or bills, you'll be able to see the branch mentioned everywhere. So first, we definitely have to make sure that our branches are mentioned in the user settings. So we will go to users and we will go to preferences, and here you can see we have given the options. So one is allowed branch and another is branch. So this particular person is in this branch and he has the access to details of all these branches. Now once your preferences are done, we will go to our accounting, and you might already have your analytic accounts created. So here you can see I've created mine here. You can see the branch Ahmedabad and Mumbai, and you can always filter those by branch as well, and you can select that. Let's say I am filtering this with Mumbai, and you can see. So it's very convenient for you to filter here as well. Now if I go to distribution models, I'll be able to see the branch here as well, and similarly I can also uh, filter this on the basis of the branch. So let's say I'll add the city. So here you can see it has been filtered by this particular branch. So we have the option of branch and filters for the branch in analytic distribution models, analytic accounts, and also analytic plans. So here you can see I already have a branch here called Ahmedabad. You can create a new one and you can add the branches here as well. You can see that the branches can be easily added. Now if we go to journal entries, you'll be able to see the branches there as well. So here you can see you have the branches mentioned. And on top of that, if let's say I create a sales order, let me create one. I'll create a new sales order, add the customer, I'll add the products, confirm this, create invoice. Now under invoice as well, I'll be able to add the analytic accounts, and the account could be related to one particular branch and the system will automatically pick that branch. So let's say if I'm picking this particular account for both of the products, I'll save this. And if I go to my journal items after saving this, here you can see my branch name is visible for this particular project because analytic accounts is falling under this particular branch. So this is also very convenient. You can see the branch here as well, and I can confirm this, and I can also register the payment. Let me do that as well. Here you can see you also have the branch mentioned, and I will create the payment. And let's go back to accounting and check how it's visible on the journal entries. So go to accounting, journal entries, and here you can see the branch is visible, and like I mentioned earlier, you can filter this using branch by going to action filters and using the branch option here. You'll also have all the details under your analytic account. So if this is one of the accounts I have, you'll be able to see the 3 customer invoices, and you'll have the details from directly here as well. So this is how the application works. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.